mistake, first of all, wasn't it? Took him away from Justin Hanks.
Alright, people, so another goal for Whisper. Done with thing already. Anyways, me do a meet. I do some work. Now, you know, I'm thinking already. At the end of the day, I don't know, say, Dujuan Richards, nice, pretty, really good goal, me have to say. I know one of them goal, cutting off our left foot, slap it far post, nicely taken. Good goal, I have to say, 2 from 2 now. Even though I get one for appearance. Yeah, so good goal from him. Me have to tell us, it's a good look. Really and truly, it's a good look, and it might improve. If you watch a game, as the same touches I get better. He look fitter, he look sharper. Every game I watch, he look fitter, he look sharper, and it's a really good look. And I'm enjoying what I'm seeing right now from him. Surprised that them take him off still because he was actually one of the dangerous outlets. So I was really surprised that them take him off. But at the end of the day, I don't know. The coach probably look something different. But good performance from him. I'm saying
amazing.
Just go on.
Way to the byline. Dujuan Richards decided to end right off the back of it.
I'll start seeing more from him. Even though the team lose, the team technically, really and truly, individually have some good players, but overall, them struggle. Like, team-wise, collectively, them struggle. But anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Road.